Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to book a grooming appointment through the PetSmart app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and book a grooming appointment. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, let's first open up the PetSmart app. On the bottom right-hand corner, let's click on Account. Next, we're going to click on Appointments. Now, there's multiple ways to actually reach this page. You can either click on Services or Appointments, but click on Explore Services. And then from here, you're going to click on the Grooming Salon. Next, you're just going to select your pet, click on Confirm and Continue. Select the store in which you want to go ahead and book a grooming appointment for. Click on Confirm and Continue, and then select the grooming options for your pet. But from here, it's pretty much self-explanatory, guys. Just simply select the correct package that you want, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and book a grooming appointment through the PetSmart app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.